Hey, have you heard about SSH Password-less login in CentOS 9?
Yes, I have. It's a great way to automate tasks and save time.
Definitely. Did you know that SSH Password-less login is a secure way to automate backups and synchronize files?
Yes, it is. And it's also a great way to execute remote commands with ease.
How do we set it up?
Well, we start by creating authentication SSH Keygen keys on our originating server, 192.168.0.12. We generate a pair of public keys with a simple command, SSH Keygen TRSA.
What's next?
Now, we gracefully upload our newly minted public key to our destination server, 192.168.0.11, allowing user Sheena to revel in passwordless glory. We execute the command SSH copy ID Sheena at 192.168.0.11 and ensure the correct permissions dance is performed on the remote server.
That sounds easy. Do we need to do anything else?
For the security aficionados among us, we can take it up a notch. We can explore the optional step of disabling password authentication on our remote server, leaving only the elegance of SSH key authentication. We navigate through the SSH server configuration file, set password authentication to no, and restart the SSH service for a security boost.
Wow, that's impressive. What's the final step?
The final step is to test the brilliance of your SSH password-less login from 192.168.0.12 to 192.168.0.11. Marvel as TechMint effortlessly logs into the Sheena account without the need for a password. Witness the simplicity and efficiency of SSH automation.
That's amazing! I can't wait to try it out myself.
It's definitely worth it. SSH Password-less login in CentOS 9 opens doors to unparalleled automation possibilities.